came back from a trip to Chile and I have a few packages here for video reviews. Let's see what we got here. We have a smart security camera. Your home, your peace of mind. I'm gonna work on this over the weekend. Put it on. So I've been crazy busy traveling and doing video reviews for other products. Finally, I'm gonna install this Smart AOV Wi-Fi PTZ security camera, 24/7, always on video. I already have one here, but it's been working for a few years. Works fine, but I don't have anything on this side of the house, which leads to a driveway where I used to have my boat. I don't have it anymore, but I might get one. And then we have a flashlight there and another camera in the back. So this one, I'm gonna install it here in this corner so I can monitor this alley here and also the front of the house. So let's get to it. So we already did the unboxing inside, but let's take another look at what we got in the box. Well, we're gonna download the app, of course, and we're gonna do all that setup. Choose a location with a strong and stable Wi-Fi signal. I think this will work fine because this is the main bedroom and I don't have any issues getting signal there. So we didn't do the unboxing actually. This is sealed still. So here are the general instructions. QR code for the technical support, 2-year guarantee, important instruction, what's in the box, the camera, the SD card, the solar panel, the wall bracket, some screws, power cord, the user manual that we're looking at. It's where you turn it on, and the reset button that it's needed once everything is up. Here's the recommended mount height, which is 8 feet. That's more or less what we have here. SD card again, recording, night vision, general instructions for the mounting. I've done this before, so let's get to it. So let's see where we're gonna put it here. This one is a little bit different from others that I have installed in the past, which I actually like better because, as you can see, this will get mounted here. This bracket like so, and then the solar panel goes in the back here. I'll attach it here with this screw right there, and the panel actually provides some protection to the camera, so it goes like so. I use this hook for my Christmas lights, so I'm gonna leave it there, and I think this might be a good position. Today is a little cloudy. Not a little, a lot cloudy, and it's actually raining a bit. So I think that looks good there. The solar panel kind of protects the camera. So let's connect it here. So I need basically 2 holes in there. So you should use this little slot for connecting so the water doesn't get in, or at least it's better protected when it rains. And actually I can use this hook to put the extra wire in there. So this will be the look when you come in. I mean, you can see it if you pay attention. At night, not so much. So there it is, already installed. Let me turn it on and wait for it to be charged. Although I see a red light already. So it looks like it's working now. So I'm gonna leave it like that. I think I can hide the wire better there. It's connected, it's on. The red light is on, so now let's download the app. There it is. Now that was for the guarantee. This one is the one for the app. I'll do the guarantee later. Open, review. I actually already have one camera here. 2 cameras, so actually I didn't know, but it's the same brand, the same company. So let's see, add a device, turn on Bluetooth. I'm gonna try this
Hold
one.
the device power button to start the device. Please reset the device by holding the reset button for 5 seconds. Wait for the indicator light to flash red. Select the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network and enter your password.
Okay, let's look for the Wi-Fi. Yeah, there it is.
Please remove all film from the lens. Tap next to show a QR code, and let your device scan the code.
Make sure the device is powered on. Yes, make sure the device is connected to the router. I think it is. Make sure the device and the phone are in the same network. They are. There you go. I heard something now. Okay, my camera, it looks like it's known. Wi-Fi signal weak, but it works. Let's see. So here I am. And just as it starts raining, let's go out and monitor myself. So there I am. So it's working now. Detected someone here, which is me. So it works. So there it is. It has a weak signal, 2 lines out of 4, but it still sees me there. Let's see. And here are my 3 cameras now. Courtyard. This one here in the front, the new one. We're ready to go. Oh no, that's the one on the driveway. This is the newer one. Here I am. So there's plans that I'm not gonna buy, but you can store your images on the cloud. We don't need to do that. Hello, how are you? So I hear myself talking there. So everything works. We'll come back at night to see the night vision. Right in time before the rain.